I'm Yevgeniy Sarayev. I'm CTO of Diamond Hands, and I'm happy to share like our ideas, our motivations, and our vision of using NFT as proof of ownership for some real physical stuff. Yeah, for example, for jewelry like this, what Davinci wear right now. This is one of the first all over the world jewelry with like it's a physical jewelry with NFT as proof of ownership. Yeah, there is a box just near Davinci, and in this box there is a QR code with a special link to NFT, like to NFT at OpenSea platform. OpenSea is one of the biggest platforms right now, so everyone may go through this QR code and watch proof of ownership of this unique stuff. Do you enjoy it, bro?
Yes, I love this ring. It's beautiful. Look, the reason why I sized it for this finger is because I want to give the finger to the banks.
Yeah, suck bankers, bro, for sure.
Yeah, I really appreciate this. This is I think this is the second one you've made, right?
Yeah, this is second edition. We left first as 01 edition for special auction. I think we will try to sell it at WOW Summit in Dubai next month. So 01 edition for this ring, for two more unisex rings. Actually all information about rings. We have a big collection which calls Diamond Hands. And Davinci actually it's best example of diamond hands all over the world. Yeah, he actually one of the first persons who I saw in YouTube when I just come to crypto. Yeah, and I am so happy to make such a big present for a legend.
Well, thank you very much, man. This is perfect ring for me. It's the right size, right? I made sure that it was the right size, and I love this because it's designed for somebody with big hands, of course, right? But yeah, I also think that it's a very prestigious piece, right? I think there's a lot of people out there that purchased Bitcoin in the early days, and I think that they should, if you should definitely get one of these as a collector's item, something that you will keep forever. It's a beautiful piece of work. I really enjoy it, and I love the fact that I can spin this thing. I love playing around with my jewelry so that's a pretty cool thing. So I'll definitely be playing with this quite a lot. Thank you.
This is much better than puppet. When all this stuff to make stress less.
Exactly. I like this. And I remember a time when I was like one of those early adopters and buying for the long run. People would laugh at me saying, "What's this Bitcoin nonsense? It's going to zero. It's a Ponzi scheme, right? They'd give it, it's a video game money, right? They'd make fun of it nonstop, and they laughed at me when I bought it at $1 and watched it go all the way to $32, right? And I bought even the $32 top. Imagine that, buying the top at $32.
Yeah.
And then watching it crash to $2. And I knew that Bitcoin was here to stay, so I was ready to buy more, and I wanted to keep getting some more Bitcoin, and I knew that it was going to have a bright future.
Actually, we have the same problem right now with our jewelry. People do not understand why we create this and why we mix this with NFTs. So people still think that NFT it's a pixel pictures, but these pixel pictures selling for millions of dollars, and actually they worth something, but not such a big prices. But what we wanted to show to the world, what NFT, it could be a real proof of ownership for something really valuable, for jewelry, for any collectible stuff, for luxury watches, luxury cars, luxury yachts, or maybe property, lands. Yeah, and it will solve a lot of problems. If NFT will be proof of ownership for real physical and big value things, it will be easy to sell from one person to another person just through Ethereum blockchain with very small commissions for few seconds, and everyone will be happy without bureaucracy, without all this stuff, without these fucking bankers too.
Exactly. And what the unique thing about NFTs, right? The NFT will always represent this particular ring, right? Even if, in the future, if God forbid there's a fire or something and this ring gets destroyed, that NFT will always be connected to that ring. And so that NFT will always have value based on the fact that, hey, this was with a one-of-a-kind, collectible, limited edition
and especially
ring.
Weared by Davinci, owned by Davinci.
Exactly. So that will always hold its value. And so that's the advantage of owning one of those, one of these rings and its NFT as that goes along with it.
Yeah, for sure. And actually, I want to add more 5 cents. Why we decide to make this? Because of we believe what our price mechanic and our type of auction, how we sell all our stuff, all our NFTs, it's a pool at Uniswap. Maybe you know or maybe do not, but Google it, Unisocks. This is a legendary stuff. It's a legendary thing when Uniswap create a pool with 500 tokens and start to sell this token from $10, and in March 2021 the price hit 150k for one token, which may be redeemed for a physical pair of socks. So we create 100 tokens, and for these tokens you may redeem any jewelry from our collection. This is a ring what Davinci wear right now. This is 2 more unisex ring for girls most of all, because girls and diamonds, since it's something special when they're together, you can achieve anything what you want in your life. If your girl happy and your girl wear diamonds. So, and actually we create a pendant. It's a necklace, it's a chain full of diamonds and a huge pendant with BTC logo, same as at this ring. And very soon we will show for the world watches. Actually, we open for collaboration with big brands. Maybe someone will want to make watches with us, and sell through our selling mechanisms. But anyway, we will show for the world how big brands may sell any limited edition stuff. Actually, do not like our project show. First of all, Unisocks show for the world how big brands or any limited edition stuff should be selling, not through average price, through bonding curve, when each purchase increase the price and price skyrocket, because it's more hype. It's more money for a brand for sure, and actually for early adopters, for early supporters of each selling like this, like for people who buy first and cheap, the price for their item will be same as for price for last item. So if price increase 100 times, people who buy first increase the value of own stuff 100 times too, just because they come first. So first come, first serve. As always, as everywhere in our life.
Exactly. I know. The first person that came with the Bitcoin, right?
Yes.
Got the advantage, right? So that's so true. That's so true.
You need to go through several storms, for sure, through several unstable periods, but anyway, in final, you got so big reward.
I really like this. I'm looking forward to the pendant and the watches. I would definitely be looking at buying those as well. Thank you.
Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro, for support us, for deciding to be our kind of ambassador, a first person who wear our jewelry. We are very happy.
Thank you very much. I'm happy too.